Marsupials, the pouched mammals. Marsupials are a fascinating group of mammals. They're known for their unique way of reproducing and raising their young. Unlike most mammals, marsupials give birth to relatively undeveloped offspring. These tiny newborns complete their development outside the womb, typically in a pouch on their mother's belly. This pouch, called a marsupium, gives marsupials their name. It is a defining characteristic of this intriguing group of animals. Marsupials are found mainly in Australia and New Guinea. A smaller number of species live in the Americas. They occupy a wide range of habitats, from deserts and grasslands to forests and rainforests. Marsupials showcase incredible diversity in size, shape and lifestyle. Despite their differences, all marsupials share a common ancestor. This ancestor lived millions of years ago. Over time, marsupials evolved and diversified to fill various ecological niches. Today, they represent a unique branch on the mammalian family tree. Their story is a testament to the power of adaptation and survival. They continue to captivate our imaginations with their unusual life cycles and endearing appearances. The marsupial pouch is a remarkable adaptation. It is a specialized structure that provides a safe and nurturing environment for the developing young. The pouch is essentially a flap of skin that extends from the mother's abdomen. It encloses the mammary glands, which produce milk to nourish the offspring. The inside of the pouch is warm, moist, and sterile. This provides ideal conditions for the growth and development of the altricial young. The pouch also offers protection from predators and the elements. The mother can control the opening of the pouch with muscles. This allows her to regulate temperature and keep the young secure. The development of the pouch is linked to the marsupial reproductive strategy. Because marsupials give birth to highly underdeveloped young, the pouch is essential for their survival. It acts as a surrogate womb, allowing the offspring to complete their development outside the mother's body. The pouch represents a remarkable example of evolutionary innovation. It highlights the diversity and adaptability of life on Earth. Australia is a land of unique and diverse wildlife, and marsupials are no exception. The continent is home to a staggering array of these pouched mammals, each with its own fascinating adaptations and ecological roles. Perhaps the most iconic Australian marsupials are the kangaroos and wallabies. These muscular herbivores are renowned for their powerful hind legs and long tails, which they use for balance while hopping. Kangaroos are social animals, often found in groups called mobs. Another beloved Australian marsupial is the koala. These arboreal herbivores are specialized in feeding on eucalyptus leaves, a diet that provides them with little energy, leading to their characteristically sleepy demeanor. Koalas spend most of their lives in eucalyptus trees, where they sleep, eat, and raise their young. Wombats, with their stout bodies and powerful claws, are expert burrowers, creating extensive underground tunnels for shelter and raising their young. These nocturnal herbivores play a crucial role in maintaining soil health through their digging activities. While Australia boasts the greatest diversity of marsupials, the Americas also harbor a fascinating group of these pouched mammals, the opossums. These adaptable creatures are found throughout North and South America, occupying a variety of habitats from forests and grasslands to urban areas. Opossums are characterized by their prehensile tails, which they use for grasping branches and carrying materials. They are primarily nocturnal and omnivorous, feeding on a wide range of food, including insects, fruits, small vertebrates, and carrion. One of the most intriguing behaviors of opossums is their famous playing possum defense mechanism. When threatened, opossums will often go limp, drool, and even emit a foul odor, mimicking the appearance and smell of a sick or dead animal. This tactic often deters potential predators, giving the opossum a chance to escape. Opossums are highly adaptable creatures, thriving in a wide range of environments. They play important roles in their ecosystems as seed dispersers, scavengers, and predators of insects and rodents. Section 5. A closer look inside the marsupial pouch. The marsupial pouch is a marvel of nature, a mobile nursery where tiny, underdeveloped newborns complete their development. The journey of a marsupial newborn from birth to independence is a testament to the power of instinct and maternal care. When a marsupial is born, it is incredibly small and underdeveloped, resembling a tiny jelly bean more than a fully formed animal. Despite its fragile appearance, the newborn is driven by a powerful instinct to reach the pouch. Guided by scent and instinct, the newborn blindly crawls through its mother's fur, navigating the terrain of her body until it reaches the safety of the pouch. Once inside, the newborn attaches to a nipple which swells in its mouth, ensuring a secure latch. The pouch provides the ideal environment for the newborn to continue its development. It is warm, moist, and rich in nutrients from the mother's milk. The newborn will spend weeks or even months inside the pouch, growing and developing until it is strong enough to venture outside. Section 6. Marsupial Diets and Lifestyles, a variety show. Marsupials showcase an impressive range of dietary adaptations reflecting the diversity of their ecological roles and habitats. From herbivores to carnivores and omnivores, these pouched mammals have evolved to thrive on a variety of food sources. Kangaroos and wallabies, for instance, are herbivores grazing on grasses and other vegetation. Their powerful hind legs and long tails are adapted for hopping across open landscapes in search of food. Koalas, on the other hand, are specialized herbivores, subsisting almost entirely on eucalyptus leaves. Tasmanian devils, found only on the island of Tasmania, are carnivorous marsupials with powerful jaws and sharp teeth, allowing them to tear through flesh and bone. They play an important role in their ecosystem as scavengers, cleaning up carcasses and preventing the spread of disease. Opossums, found in the Americas, are opportunistic omnivores, feeding on a wide range of food, including insects, fruits, small vertebrates, and carrion. Their adaptability makes them successful in a variety of habitats. Section 7. The challenges faced by marsupials. Despite their resilience and adaptability, marsupials around the world face a growing number of threats, many of which are directly linked to human activities. Habitat loss and fragmentation, invasive species, climate change, and road mortality are among the most pressing challenges facing these unique creatures. Habitat loss and fragmentation are major threats to marsupials, particularly in areas undergoing rapid development. As forests are cleared for agriculture, urban sprawl, and infrastructure projects, marsupials lose their homes and access to essential resources. Invasive species such as foxes, cats, and rats pose a significant threat to many marsupial populations. These introduced predators can decimate native wildlife, particularly ground-dwelling species like bandicoots and bettongs. Climate change is another growing concern for marsupials. Rising temperatures, altered rainfall patterns, and more frequent extreme weather events such as droughts and bushfires can impact food and water availability, disrupt breeding cycles, and increase the risk of heat stress. Section 8. Protecting our pouched friends, conservation efforts. Recognizing the plight of marsupials, conservationists and wildlife organizations worldwide are working tirelessly to protect these unique and vulnerable creatures. From habitat restoration and invasive species control to community engagement and education, a multifaceted approach is crucial to ensuring the survival of marsupials for generations to come. Establishing protected areas, such as national parks and wildlife reserves, is essential for safeguarding marsupial habitats from further destruction. These areas provide safe havens for wildlife and allow populations to recover. Controlling invasive species is another critical aspect of marsupial conservation. This includes trapping, baiting, and fencing to reduce the impact of introduced predators and competitors. Community engagement and education are also vital for raising awareness about the importance of marsupial conservation. Supporting research and monitoring programs is crucial for understanding marsupial populations, identifying threats, and developing effective conservation strategies. By working together, we can ensure that these fascinating and endearing creatures continue to thrive. Section 9. Fascinating facts about marsupials. Did you know? The world of marsupials is full of surprises. These unique creatures possess a range of fascinating adaptations and behaviors that continue to intrigue and amaze scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. Did you know that the smallest marsupial is the long-tailed planigale? This tiny creature, measuring just over an inch in length, is found in the grasslands of northern Australia and New Guinea. Despite its diminutive size, the long-tailed planigale is a fierce predator, feeding on insects, spiders, and even small lizards. Opossums, known for their playing possum defense mechanism, also possess a unique immune system that provides them with remarkable resistance to certain snake venoms and other toxins. This resistance is due to special proteins in their blood that neutralize venom molecules. Koalas, with their sedentary lifestyles and eucalyptus leaf diet, have evolved an incredibly low metabolic rate, allowing them to survive on this low-nutrient food source. They spend up to 20 hours a day sleeping or resting, conserving energy for their infrequent foraging bouts.